Microsoft is working on something smarter than Siri. I'm Bridget Carey, and this is your CNET update. Microsoft is planning to have smart assistant technology in all Windows devices, and it's codenamed Cortana, after the intelligent computer named Cortana in the Halo video game series. Cortana is getting buzz in the news lately as Windows Phone gears up for a software upgrade. But a Microsoft executive told CNET that an Apple Siri or Google Now competitor would only be launched when the technology is revolutionary, rather than simply an evolutionary step forward. That might take another 2 years. Microsoft CEO Steve Ballmer did hint at something like this in previous statements. He said there would be a system that could do more than just answer voice commands. It would learn and adapt over time to people in the world and even anticipate what is needed before the user asks for it. Roku, the streaming video set-top box, is adding a new feature that works like Google's Chromecast. Owners can stream content to the television straight from apps on a smartphone. Now, Roku already has an app for Apple and Android that turns a smartphone into a basic remote control, but this would take it a step further, with users able to pull up a video from another company's app, like say Netflix or even the CNET app, and then click on a shortcut button to start playing that video on a TV. It sounds cool, but there was no word on when this technology would be available. Next year's Samsung televisions may run on Samsung's operating system called Tizen. Samsung has been working on making its own open-sourced operating system instead of only depending on Android. Samsung's co-CEO says Tizen-based TVs could hit the market next year in 2014. And the goal is to connect all of Samsung's devices with a common operating system. But I think it'll be a while before people want to buy a Tizen phone over an Android phone. So between Cortana, Roku, and Tizen, these are all things that are in store for the future. But if you want something that you can try today, head on over to Google Plus on a Google Chrome web browser and you'll find new photo editing tools. Google has been continuously improving photo tools on Google Plus. You may be familiar with the Auto Awesome feature. It automatically color enhances photos and makes animations from photos that are taken in a quick sequence. But these changes give users on Chrome more fine-tuned control. For example, you might only want to enhance the color of one part of the photo. Google also added new filters and cropping and rotating tools. The major web giants are fighting to be your home for uploading photos. Google's hoping to lure you in with free editing tools like this. That's your tech news update, but you can get more details on these stories at cnet.com/update or follow along on Twitter. From our studios in New York, I'm Bridget Carey.